Good evening, YouTube. This is JJ Jinx here, and I've got for you a giant cardboard box that contains a mystery bag from BudK. I got the $25 one, which means it contains $50 of crap according to the prices that they set. The first thing that I'm supposed to do after getting the box open is to show you, oh, there's a catalog inside. And then I'm supposed to grab this piece of paper and say, well, what the hell is this? Oh yeah, invoice. Because that's what everybody does. And then you pull out the giant bag and lay it down for all of its glory. But first, you make a lot of noise with the paper. Because that's just kind of what you do. That's something I ordered for myself separately, which, so is that. And probably another thing. Talk about these another time. I thought I saw it, yeah. Okay, I just glanced in the bag and I saw a couple things that I kind of like. So here is the bag of crap. Oh, these make me so happy. First glance, I see a yellow and red stripe with green on the fringes on this box here, which that's the medal or the ribbon of service for Vietnam colors. So I got some kind of Vietnam War swag. I think I saw a yellow box with a red logo on it, which is a kissing crane. It's probably one of their dumb, like, Christmas trappers or something. And there's a hat that says Colombian Survival. And it's got a picture of what looks like one of those Aztec calendars on it that's made to look like a face. If you want to survive in Colombia, do cocaine? I don't know what that means. Colombia. Colombian Survival. Colombia is not really known for their... I guess if you want to survive the cartels? I don't know. Pablo Escobar's dead. Anyway, let's open this shit up. Okay. Well, the box kind of gives it away. This is a Forever Brothers Vietnam Veteran pocket watch. So that's one of those cheap pocket watches. Great. The cardboard in the box is actually kind of a thick corrugated type. So that's interesting. Looking on the package, Forever Brothers Vietnam Veteran Pocket Watch. And it just kind of says that all over the place. With a little paragraph on the back that's hard to read because it's like a pale white against a red background. It's got a squint here. You've been asking for it, and it's finally here. I haven't asked for this. Well, I guess I had, since I paid for this mystery bag. Our brand new Vietnam Veteran commemorative pocket watch. This handsome pocket watch features an antique finished brass case with full color commemorative Vietnam veteran artwork. They capitalized veteran. Yeah, whatever. That's cool, I guess. Vietnam capital veteran artwork on the front and attractive relief on the back side. I like the sound of attractive relief on the back side. It makes a great gift idea for veterans. Includes a 15 removable chain. What? Oh, 15-inch removable chain. 15-inch. Oh, there it is. A little bit of bubble wrap and... Oh, I've been asking for this. So it's got the ribbon, 1959 to 1975, depending on which textbook you read. Once strangers, forever brothers, never forget. And there's a little plastic tab up here, I guess to keep the bezel from being opened. And it's got a little, I guess, a Huey picture that says never forget. It's, well, handsome, I suppose. I'm not real into pocket watches, but well, I have one now. And there's really not much to say about it. It's a cheap kind of thing. You see them at Walmart for like $5. Except it's made up with all this Vietnam colors and stuff. And I'm not sure how much longer this kind of merchandise is going to be sellable, because it's going to get to a point where a lot of Vietnam veterans are going to start dying of old age. You don't see very much World War II swag anymore. I don't know if you ever did. This is kind of capitalism runaway, if you ask me, but made in China, of course. Oh, the back of the Columbia Survival Guide hat says Trail Guide. That's spiffy. It's a cheap kind of baseball hat, trucker hat. I don't know. When it's got the mesh on the back, I kind of think of it as a trucker hat. Nice of them to put a little cardboard insert to keep it going. Oh, it's maybe that's what you're supposed to survive, is an attack from a felt scorpion sewn into the mesh part. That's kind of interesting. Well, now my uniform is complete. I got the pocket watch. I survived Nam. I guess I'm working on surviving Colombia. And to help me with that, I got this Alien Invaders in Nature, a pocket naturalist guide. So is this about invasive species or something? I guess North America's most aggressive... invasive plants and animals. Oh, look at that. Yeah, Melaleuca in Florida. I don't recognize very much else. Oh, the parrot feather in Florida as well. The red ant. Fucking fire ant. This will be fun to read. It's something I'll probably read once and then never need it again, throw it away. I don't know. I'm not sure why I'd need a pocket guide to just invasive species. It's not like they're all dangerous to people, but that was very surprising. It's a surprise bag. What can I say? This is that kissing crane I saw. Kissing crane knife. As far as brands go, it's one of the better ones from BudK. And oh my goodness, I got well, the picture on this box kind of gives away what's in it, so I might as well deal with this. An El Dorado City of Gold stiletto. Pocket clip shown. Our new El Dorado City of Gold assisted open folding stiletto knife looks like a relic that came straight from the fabled City of Gold. Who writes this shit? Featuring solid stainless steel construction with a gleaming mirror polish, golden titanium. They're just throwing out all kinds of metals. It's stainless steel, golden titanium. The 4-inch assisted open blade features a built-in thumb stud and blade spur for fast one-hand access to the blade. One-hand access is important. This is a hefty, weighty stiletto that collectors will go crazy for. Oh, those crazy collectors of El Dorado artifacts. Because we all know El Dorado was known not for its gold, but for its... stilettos. And here it is. Titanium. I mean stainless steel. I mean gold. It is heavy. That's for sure. Alright, let's see how... Oh, that was pathetic. What am I going to say about this? It's very cheaply put together. That's not unexpected. The spring mechanism appears to be one of those coiled springs that are cut into a groove in the blade, one of those types. It's a liner lock, and it's got one of those, I don't know what to call these, bent pieces to help you put the blade back, but oh man. Yeah, you really have to try to get it open. The finish is this fake gold crap. On the blade, it's not really a stamp. It's kind of a sprayed on writing, I guess. It's got the item number, stainless steel, handcrafted in China. China? Oh, it was from El Dorado. Okay, well, this thing sucks. Uh, I, I guess it just needs to warm up a little bit. I can maybe loosen up the screws or something to get it open faster. Or just throw it away. Well, bag of crap, what can I say? I'm curious about this Kissing Crane. I actually like Kissing Crane knives. If you go to their website, they talk about how they're this old German company, but I mean they've been bought out by a Chinese company long ago. Probably moved all their manufacturing over there, but kept the label. Their quality is, like I said before, yeah, I can already, yeah. Merry Christmas from 2015. Wonderful. I like it. I like the work they put into the handles where they have these multicolored stones and spacers and things. It's kind of neat. But their quality is, it ain't case. It ain't a case knife, which is what all these companies like Old Timer, Schrade, Frost Cutlery aspire to be. Oh gosh, it's even right shit on the. I just want to take a Dremel to all this stuff and just have a plain. Like if this writing weren't on it, I would keep this. They put a number on it, like that means anything. It's the 6,207th one. I see a little bit of rust on the lining, on the slip joint liner, made in Taiwan. Okay, so not necessarily China, but that being said, I actually do like Kissing Crane knives. I ordered a couple of them, but they were not the themed ones. So it's a Merry Christmas Trapper. Let it snow, limited edition, let it snow. Sweet Christmas. Kissing Crane, enjoy a sweet Christmas. Well, at least there's nothing religious written into it. I got like a Thanksgiving one once accidentally. I actually ordered a St. Patrick's Day one. They sent me a Thanksgiving one, and it said like all kinds of religious crap on it. And I didn't order it anyway, so I sent it back. I guess they were out of what I wanted, but yeah, I could see a large gap back here. This is just, you get what you want. I think you can. They sell these trappers for like $22 or $23. And it comes with a little certificate that tells you that Kissing Crane is awesome and blah, 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 but it's not really. Which you get these with lots of other knife brands. You get one from BudK Knives that's kind of like, welcome to the family. But then there's a bunch of religious crap in it too. Like, we're a God-fearing company. And I don't know. I'm an atheist. So, all right. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. Not me. Honshu by United Cutlery. Black Aizu Ring Fighter. So they gave me this big one. It's got some Chinese writing on it. It says Honshu. Let's just have a look. Okay. And more packaging. Comes with the big sheath to go with it. Very, very tough feeling leather. And some courtesy desiccant. Well, it's heavy. A little scratched up. You're always going to see something like that. The handle's made out of a kind of rubbery material, and there's a giant hole in the bottom. Yeah. All right. I don't know what I would ever use this for, but it looks kind of cool, and I guess that's what it's for, is to look cool. Not sure what this part is all about. It looks like it was milled out or something, but it's not sharp. It's just decorative. I don't expect the blade to be sharp. It's not. This is just for looks. I don't really like the hole in the bottom. It's kind of weird, and there's some jimping here that's, I guess you can hold it like this too. It's not something that you want to use practically. And you're going to get something like this in every BudK surprise bag. I am actually pretty pleased with this purchase overall. Even though I got this shitty knife, I love the El Dorado story on the back. I'm keeping the box just for that. And the Vietnam knife. It's the poetry, the fact that I've been waiting for this, and it's an antique finished brass case. I just love that kind of thing. This was a really surprising kind of what the fuck is this part of the surprise bag, which you always get one of those, and that's what you buy these things for, is the WTF moments, Colombian survival, Scorpion trail guide. Well, that was interesting. The box for the big knife also came with a advertisement from United Cutlery, which they kind of sell themselves as a tactical thing, dealer, like a tactical tomahawk. What the fuck is that? Tactical knife. You put a seatbelt cutter on it, suddenly it's tactical. Anyway, that was my mystery bag. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna go read about invasive species and dream about El Dorado stilettos. Goodbye.